Hi guys, this is the continuation of lecture series on concept through question on my channel Gate UPSC Simplified. This is the question which I have taken from vector integral, or in this question it is given that this question is sometimes some type of unique question which you can expect in either in case of UPSC conventional paper or also in case of Gate. In this question it is given that there is a surface integral. We will have to calculate the value of this surface integral, and in which it is given that double integral s x sine y. Here in this question they are representing the question in somewhat different style. They haven't given anything directly, that is, as they haven't given any vector form directly, and they also haven't mentioned the unit vector n and ds. That is, we will have to know separate out each vector field as well as the direction of that vector field. But in this question it is given that there is a reason of through which for this surface we will have to calculate the value of this integral or vector integral, who through which we will have to calculate this. That is the reason is x square plus y square plus z square equals to 1. Okay, now what is this? This is a sphere having radii 1, and this is the unique form of representation of that vector integral. We will have to decode this, and then we will have to solve this type of problem. So writing this equation in the form, what is the given vector integral is that double integral over a surface s x sine y comma cos square x comma minus z sine y, 2z minus z sine y, 2z minus z sine y dot product with x comma y comma z ds. This is a unique form of representation of that vector form. I will decode this part so that you all be able to clear how they have represented the required integral form. Okay, what is this? As we know that integral, how they mention or how they give the question in the form of vector f. Vector f is that, like, for the surface s, vector f dot unit vector n ds, this is given. But if you will correlate this expression with the given integral, that is given vector integral, what you can compare or what you can just counterpart is that this is the vector field f. This is the vector field f, and in place of unit vector n it is this. This is the representation of unit vector n, and this is ds. So now I would like to mention for which reason we will have to calculate the vector integral for the surface vector integral is that we have reason. Now for this you will have to compare this equation with the standard one, that is f dot vector f dot unit vector n ds. This is f, this is unit vector n, and this is ds as it is already given in the question. Now, as we will have given that this is a surface integral, and as the reason is given as x square plus y square plus z square equals to 1, that is a sphere, closed sphere having radius 1. So we will have to apply, as the surface is closed and it has volume, that is we will have to apply Gauss divergence theorem. Okay, to find the value of integral. What is Gauss divergence equation? It is equals to double integral surface to volume. We will have to move from surface to volume in Gauss divergence theorem. Double integral s vector f dot unit vector n ds is equals to triple integral v over a closed curve v over a closed volume v, divergence of that vector field dv. Okay, now the first and foremost reason, we will have to calculate the divergence of that vector field, and then we can easily solve this question. So what will be the divergence of that vector field? F is equals to del by del x into the x component of that vector, that is x sine y, x sine y. Okay, now what is the y component? Is del by del y cos square x plus what is the z component, 2z minus z sin y, 2z minus z sin y. Okay, so what you will get from here is sin y plus 2 cos x. Now this is the divergence. Now what is the area, what is the reason it is given? Reason is given as x square plus y square plus z square. Okay, this is equals to 1 is the given reason. What is the value of unit vector n? Unit vector n will be grad phi by mod of grad phi. This is the value of unit vector n. Okay, so what will be the grad phi? Grad phi will be equals to 2x unit vector I plus 2y, as phi is this, I am just applying the grad function, 2y unit vector j plus 2z unit vector k. Okay, what will be the magnitude of grad phi? Magnitude of grad phi will be equals to root under 4x square plus 4y square plus 4z square. Okay, now this will be 2 will be common, root under x square plus y square plus z square. Okay, as x square plus y square plus z square is 1, so on substituting, what you will get, grad phi magnitude will be equals to 2. Okay, then what will be the value of unit vector n? It will be equals to grad phi by mod of grad phi. It will be equals to x unit vector I plus y unit vector j plus z unit vector k. Okay, as the magnitude is 2, so it will got divided by 2, so you can cancel out these two. This will be the value of unit vector n. Now what we have, grad f is what, dx del by del x of x sin y is what, it is x, it is sin y plus what will be the value of del by del y cos square x, it will be 0. What will be the value of del by del z, this factor, it will be plus 2 minus sin y. So what you will get, you will get 2. So what we have, triple integral v 2 dv. Why 2 dv? As we will have to solve grad dot f dv. What is grad dot f? It is 2, as I have already calculated. Okay, is equals to 2 into dv, that is dx dy dz, that is volume of the given region, that is x square plus y square plus z square equals to 1. And what is the volume of that sphere? It will be 4 by 3 pi r cube. R is 1 cube. What you will get? 8 by 3 pi. So this is the question, which is a bit modification of Gauss divergence theorem. In this way, you can also expect question in ISRO. This is a question of previous year of CSIR. You can also expect such type of question in ISRO, DRDO, and even in case of engineering services conventional exams.